Hello children, welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School. Subject is English Grammar. Today, through this video, we are going to learn about adverbs and types of adverbs. So, adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time. But what are adverbs? What are the types of adverbs? So through this video, let us learn what are adverbs and what are the types of adverbs. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. You know children, a verb is an action word. So the word that tells us more about an action is called as an adverb. So we say an adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. So these will be the three types of adverbs. Now let us see an example. I ate my dinner quickly. This is the sentence and we have to find out a adverb in this. So the sentence is, I ate my dinner quickly. Here, ate is an action word and telling us more about the action word is the word quickly. So quickly describes the action word ate. So quickly is an adverb in this sentence. Here, if I ask the question, how did I eat my dinner? So I get the answer, I ate my dinner quickly. So when the sentence answers the question how, then it is called as an adverb of manner. So quickly is in which manner you are eating the dinner. So I ate my dinner quickly. Quickly describes the action word ate and it answers the question how. So it is adverb of manner. Let us see some more examples of adverbs of manner. Jia sings beautifully. So here the word beautifully describes the action sings. In the second sentence, they waited for the bus patiently. So here patiently is describing the verb waited. The dog is barking loudly. Loudly is describing the verb barking. So these words beautifully, patiently, loudly are adverbs of manner. Now let us see the next example. Sam sees many puppies outside. Sam sees many puppies outside. Now nextly, I'm asking the question, where did Sam see the puppies? So the answer is Sam sees many puppies outside. So where, I'm asking the question where. So the answer I get is Sam sees many puppies outside. So outside describes the action word sees. So it is telling where. So where, so it is adverb of place. Where the answer comes as outside. So outside describes the action word sees. So outside is a adverb of place. Now let us see some more examples of adverb of place. We will go outside when it stops raining. So here outside is a verb of place, adverb of place. Please keep your shoes here. Again I am asking the question where. So the answer comes as here. So the word here is the adverb of place. You can take your bags upstairs. So here upstairs is the adverb of place. So in these three sentences, outside, here, upstairs are adverbs of place. Now we will go on to the next type of adverb. My father came home early. Now I am asking the question, when did my father come home? So the answer I get is, my father came home early. Now in this sentence, the word early describes the action word came. So early is describing the action word came. So early is a adverb of time. Okay, adverb of time. When it answers my questions when, then it becomes an adverb of time. Let us see some more examples of adverbs of time. Jia read a book about birds yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb of time. We will have to leave now. When? So now. Now is a adverb of time. I reached late because I missed the bus. Here late is a adverb of time. So in these three sentences, yesterday, now, late are adverbs of time. So till now children, we have learned all three: adverb of manner, adverb of place, and this is adverb of time. So what are exactly adverbs? Let us see in brief. Adverb describes a verb, adjective or adverb. It tells how, when, where, or to what extent. So when we ask the question how, we get the answers as quickly, slowly. When we say when, we get it as today or soon. Where, then outside, above. These answers we get. To what extent? Always or seldom. So here the example they have given it is, I finished my homework quickly. So here quickly is the adverb of manner and today is the adverb of time. Now these are some of the examples of adverbs. Now these are all the words used as adverbs. Daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, no, now, here, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. An adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. This is a tip which all of us should remember, that an adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun. It only describes a verb, adverb, or an adjective. Now let us see in short a quiz. In the coming 2 slides, let us try to identify some adverbs in the sentences. Remember that most adverbs end with an ly. Not always, but sometimes adverbs end with ly. Identify the adverb. The girl got hurt while playing. She is walking slowly. So here 4 options are given: walking, playing, slowly, girl. So which is the adverb in this sentence? Yes, slowly is an adverb of manner, because how she is walking, that they are describing. Okay, so the word slowly is an adverb. Identify the adverb. The boy won the event. He returned home happily. So here Which is an adverb in this? So the word happily is an adverb. The four options are given, children. Boy, prize, happily, home. So from these four options, happily is an adverb of manner. Okay, he returned home happily. So I hope everyone has understood what are adverbs and the three types of adverbs. That is adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Okay, children? So, thank you.